my name is Rosa. I'm an Italian lifestyle consultant. Today I'm here at Farmers from Italy in their kitchen to bring you the best food to your table. Today I'm going to make fettuccine with garden tomato sauce. And what I'm going to use is tomatoes, San Marzano, DOP, viaggio oil, a cup of celery, a cup of onion, a cup of carrots, and of course parmigiano and basil. While the water for the pasta is boiling, I'm going to prepare the sauce. And of course today I'm going to use fettuccine, my favorite. Now in my pan I'm going to put 4 spoons of viaggio extra virgin oil, a cup of onions. Now that the onions became translucent, add celery and some carrots. This is a garden sauce. Now I put some DOP tomatoes. You try to squish everything. And now I'm going to add. So I'm going to cook the tomato sauce for, let's say, 10 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of pinch of salt and I'm going to use the fettuccine. Voila! Now that the sauce is ready and the pasta is al dente, I'm going to use my tongs and I'm going to put the fettuccine directly into the pan. And I'm going to put the flame a little bit higher and I'm going to add some water here. So now my fettuccine with garden sauce is ready. They are ready here. They look fantastic. I'm going to add a little bit of sauce here or here. Of course, a little bit of more parmigiano, like a pinch like this. Never forget to add your basil and a little bit of oil. Buon appetito! And be sure to leave a like, follow us on our social medias, subscribe for more videos, and check out more recipes on our website, farmersfromitaly.com. Ciao, arrivederci!